Jai Sri Gurudev. Dear children, good morning to everyone. I am fine. I hope you are all safe by staying home. Dear students, in the previous class we learned about the solution of a linear inequation on the number line. Okay, so in this class we should be discussing about the continuum of that on the number line and on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so by doing that some examples you will be understand easily. Okay, so that's why I am taking as one of the example. Solve 5x minus 3 less than or equals to 2 and represent the solution on the number line and on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so for this one, now first we have to do the solution now. Yes, that is 5x minus 3 less than or equals to 2. Okay, so then what we do that is constant we have to send to the right hand side now, that is 5x less than or equals to 2 plus 3. Okay, so then 5x is less than or equals to 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, then here is a 5 is a multiplication. If you descend that side is division. Okay, so that is x is less than or equals to 5 by 5 and 5 ones are x is less than or equals to 1. Okay, so then what is the meaning of this x is less than or equals to 1? Means is x is equals to 1 and x is less than 1. Okay, so that is x is equals to 1 and x is less than 1. Yes, so it means is our x is equals to 1 and x is less than 1 means is here x is equals to 1 means is the particularly values we know that is. Yes, x is less than 1 means is that is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Yes, so this can be the solution of a linear inequation. Okay, so solution is completed now. Yes, so that is we have to be shown on the number line. Okay, so now I am taking as a on the number line. Number line. Okay, so on the number line to show that is now I am drawing as a number line now. Yes, in the middle I am taking as a 0. Right hand side is positive 1, 2. Next left hand side is negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, so then first is that I am showing as a x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 means is it is a x is equals to 1. Okay, so then after this x is less than 1. Less than 1 means is that is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Means is left hand side you want to show that no? Yes, so that is left hand side I am showing now. That is yes, so x values we are having that at left hand side. Okay, so this is a solution of a linear inequation on the number line. And second one is on the Cartesian plane. What is my Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane is nothing but is which place is having the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so the both axes will be intersect at the places that can be called as a Cartesian plane. Okay, so that is also we want to be show this solution on the Cartesian plane. Yes, so the solution we are showing on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so to go that is first equal sign we have to take it now. What is the equal sign is x is equals to 1. Means is x is equals to 1 means is on x axis one place we have to be draw that number line. Okay, so x is equals to 1. Yes, on x axis one place you have to take it now. That is one place is yes, this is the x is equals to 1 line. Okay, so that is x is equals to 1 line. Okay, so it means is that this solution is completed. Next one more also is there x is less than 1 means is on x axis. Yes, on x axis less than 1. Less than 1 means is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 no. Okay, so on x axis which side we are having that is left hand side or right hand side? Left hand side we are having now. On x axis left hand side we are having now. That is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Means is we have to be show that is a arrows to the left hand side. Yes, so this is a solution of the 5x minus 3 less than or equals to 2 on the Cartesian plane. Okay, dear children, understood now? Yes, so one more example we are taking, that is solve x plus y less than or equals to 3 and represent on the graphical way. It means is what we are getting the solution for this one is we have to be represent on the graphical way. Okay, means is here is before that is it we are having only single variable. Okay, now we are having the two variables. Okay, so what are the two variables here is x and y. Okay, so that is x plus y less than or equals to 3. Okay, now first we have to be find that is pair of points for the linear inequation. Okay, so for that is solution what we are having, that is x plus y less than or equals to 3. Okay, so in this one less than or equal means is two symbols there. Okay, so first one I am taking as a equal sign, that is x plus y is equals to 3. Okay, second one, what is second one in that is x plus y less than 3. Okay, yes. So for this one is now first one we are taking now. For the first one we have to be find the pair of points. Okay, so how we should find this pair of points in that is x plus y is equals to 3. Okay, so for this one at least you have to be find that is two pair of points. Okay, so that is when x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0, you have to be substituting that is. X is equals to 0 means is 0 plus y is y is equals to 3. Okay, yes, that is what you are getting, that is pair of points is one is 0 and another one is 3. Okay, so this is the first pair of point of the x plus y is equals to 3. Okay, so next one more point is when y is equals to 0. Okay, what I am taking, that is y value I am considering as a 0. At the time is that how much we should be get, that is x value we have to be find it now. As y is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0, substituting that is x plus 0 is equals to 3. Means is x plus 0 will become x only now, that is x is equals to 3. Yes, so that is 3 comma 0. Yes, now we got that is two pair of points for this one now. Yes, yes, so these two pair of points we have to be shown on the number line and we have to be join, that is straight line. Okay, so after getting the straight line, what is the second one is x plus y less than 3. X plus y less than 3. For the second one, x plus y less than 3 when we are taking that is in that substitute the origin. Okay, substitute origin. Origin means is 0 comma 0 now. X, while substituting in that is 0 plus 0 less than 3, it implies 0 plus 0 will become 0. 0 less than 3. It is a true or false? True. Okay. In equation, include the origin. Okay. Include the origin. Okay, yes. So these values we have to be plot on the graph. Okay, now we have to be plot the graph is x-axis and the y-axis. Yes. So dear children, the solution we have to be show on the Cartesian plane. Okay. So first is that what the the points is means is x plus y is equal to 3. What is the pair of points we have to be plot on the graph. Okay, so first point, what is the first point is 0 comma 3. Okay, so 0 and 3. Yes, 0 on x axis, 3 on y axis. Okay, so that is 0 comma 3. And second point, what is second point is 3 comma 0. Yes, so 3 comma 0, 3 means is first value will become x axis, no, that is 3 comma 0 means that on x axis 3, on y axis 0. 0, and x axis is 3, y axis value 0. Okay, so this is 3 comma 0. Okay, so of plotting these points is we have to be join this both. Okay, so while joining this one is you are getting like this is straight line. Okay, so this straight line. Then second one is x plus y less than 3. Yes. So while substituting origin in this, what you got that is true you got it now. Yes. When you are getting as a true, what written is the description for that is it is include the origin. Means is origin is the which side is there for this line, downwards is there. Okay, downwards is there. Means is that arrows you have to be shown on the left hand side. Means the downwards. Yes. So that is yes. So this is a representation of the solution on the number line. Yes. So do you still understand what this one is? Hope that you are all understand this concept. If you have any doubt regarding this class, please contact to me. Wash your hands by using soap or hand wash at least 20 seconds once. Wear the masks while going outside. Wherever you go, maintain social distance. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.